Okay, we have a Doosan Vertical Machining Center, model DNM 4500. Machine was new in 2020. Serial number MV0090-002489. Machine has a table size of 17.72 by 39.37. You have 31.5 inches of X travel, 17.7 inches of Y travel, and 20.1 inches of Z travel. 12,000 RPM spindle, 12,000 RPM spindle, 25 horsepower, Cat 40, Big Plus, with a 30 tool automatic side mount tool changer. FANUC IM Plus control. You have the ability to put a probe on the machine. It has set up for a RENISHAW probe. And you also have coolant through spindle, 300 PSI. And an LNS chip conveyor. Nicely equipped machine. Again, this machine is a low hour machine. We're running right now at what RPM? 1500 RPM going up. 3,500 RPM. 5,500. 8,000 RPM. Very, very quiet spindle. Table is super clean. Inside's original paint. Very low hour use. All right, we're simulating a tool change. And again. Telescopic weight covers, all axes. All right, hey. See, we have the manuals too, sitting on the conveyor. You can inspect in our New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.